What's up? Lower Lake, Castaic. Little afternoon session here during the week. Not any boats out here. Got lucky. This time my buddy Anthony from G Team Outdoors. We're talking. Congrats again on the streak that's going. He's got 5 tournament wins in a row. Going for number 6 in a few weeks. So good luck to him on the next tournament. Freaking awesome. Go check out his channel too. G Team Outdoors. I'll put it right here. Lots of good videos, tournament videos. The dude's the master of bed fishing. He's just killing it everywhere around offshore. You name it. So nice work, Anthony. So go check out his channel. But yeah, so we're gonna try to find some bass. The water temp's coming up a little bit. They still got the water coming in full speed, but we're gonna do our little afternoon session. It's not closing early today. We got the whole afternoon, which is nice. So I'm stoked. So yeah. All right, guys, let's get it going. Got the Viking heads baits. Lead head, a little kite. There's a good one. I wonder why it wasn't moving. Ah. That stick fought hard. That was a nice fight. Right, got the Tyrant 10-inch. Double caught up. Pretty good one. Come on, baby. That's a nice one. I think I got him good. Big old head. Yes! That's a good one. Oh, yeah. Let's go, baby. Whew. That's crazy. There's a nice one. It's a 4. Whew, nice. Whee. All right. Oh man, barely. Nice one, guys. Goes over. Should be 4-ish. $3.9. Come on. Get a 4. Nope. Oh, 4. Right on 4. All right, 4-pounder. Biggest one in a while. Yes, sir. That was fun, guys. Saw little marks cruising. I just kind of cast out there. I was waiting, and then bam, I had one on as I was drifting. But this thing got caught in the back of the boat, the line, went around the back corner of the boat. Then it was caught on the motor. I was about to lift the motor, but luckily I swam out and got away from the motor. That was a nice 4-pounder. Biggest fish in a little bit here, but that was fun. Nice chunky one there. All right, let's keep on it. Healthy guy. Sticks in there, so good. Came loose out of the rock and his fish smashed it. That's awesome. Popped right out, bam, fish got it. Oh, lost my weight too. That's what it was caught. Top my drop shot weight and all right, little dude. Nice looking fish. Look at it. Chaser. Frickin' chased it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yep. Chase the drop shot up. Yeah, I saw them, but I kind of was bringing it back to try to get another cast and he chased it right up. Oh, it's a nice one. Yeah. Pretty solid, dude. Woo. Let's go, baby. 5'4" something. Me and Dom are on some chunks. Let's go, baby. Just like old times. Nothing beats having the whole lake to yourself though, huh? I mean, it's the best, isn't it? Whew. Chunkos. Can't get that 5 yet though this year. Oh, is this not even 4? 3.8? Huh. Just 3.8. Yeah. I thought it'd be way more. Have a friend. There's one on the Viking head. Is that crappie? Oh my god, dude. Holy smokes. Oh my gosh. Crazy. Woo. It's a big crappie right there. Woo. Check it out. .7 crappie. Heck yeah. Let's go. Sorry, 4-pounder, 19 and a half. Actually 1975. Just touching it. Nice one. All right, 3.7, 3.8 I think it was. It's just a 18 and a halfer. Yep. 18. That was fun, guys. Got a good little bite here in the afternoon. A couple nice ones, 4-pounder, 3.7, handful of little dudes. And then the surprise crappie at the end. I think it was giant. It wasn't 2 pounds, but it looked huge on the little Viking heads. The new lead head there on the, with the Castaic on it. Those fish are moving it all around, chasing some bait back there. Just kept filling the drop shot, and then finally grabbed that and swimming it back to the boat. Bam! Crappie love hitting those little jig heads. It's cool. Caught quite a bit here on them, but that was a fun little sundown session there. It's gonna start getting warm out here. Water temps are gonna go up, and yeah. So thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.